Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in pool products. Today, we're talking about the best 16 by 32 pool cover, the TONTTAIN 16mm Quadruple Bubble Solar Pool Cover. If you're looking for a top-tier solar pool cover that can handle the heat and save you money, this is definitely one you need to consider. This solar pool cover is a game-changer when it comes to heating your pool efficiently. Made from high-quality polyvinyl chloride and polyethylene, the TONTTAIN cover features a patented quadruple bubble design. This design isn't just for looks, it plays a crucial role in capturing and absorbing more solar energy, which translates into a faster increase in your pool's temperature. The 16mm thickness, equivalent to 400 micrometers, ensures maximum heat retention and helps maintain that warmth for longer. One of the standout features of this cover is its ability to prevent up to 95% of water evaporation. This means you'll spend less time filling up your pool and more time enjoying it. Not only does this cover help reduce your water usage, but it also keeps your pool cleaner by minimizing debris, reducing the need for constant cleaning and maintenance. This cover is built to last. It's heavy-duty and waterproof, so it can withstand the elements, whether it's the harsh sunlight or the occasional rainstorm. The durable material ensures that it can be reused year after year, providing great value for your investment. Plus, with its aluminum buckle system and PVC edge, it's easy to secure and roll up when it's time to store it for the off-season. The TONTTAIN solar pool cover is available in multiple sizes, including the 16 by 32 feet option, making it a versatile choice for both in-ground and above-ground pools. If your pool has an unusual shape, don't worry. The cover is easy to trim, ensuring a perfect fit. And if you're using a pool roller, the cover comes with holes to easily connect it and keep it securely in place. In addition to its functionality, the TONTTAIN cover also saves you on heating costs. By trapping solar energy, you can reduce your reliance on traditional pool heaters and enjoy a more energy-efficient pool experience. The quadruple bubble design adds extra insulation, allowing your pool to stay warm even during cooler evenings and mornings. If you're ready to improve your pool's temperature, save on water, and cut down on maintenance costs, the TONTTAIN 16 by 32 feet quadruple bubble solar pool cover is the ideal solution. It's heavy-duty, reliable, and packed with features that make it one of the best pool covers on the market today. Thanks for watching this review here at Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products out there.